ABML morning update. Nifty fails to defend 26,000 in absence of momentum. Expect consolidation in the final trading week of the year. Global markets. US stocks fell on Monday, spurred by losses in technology after the S&P 500 scaled to record levels last week. The S&P 500 dropped 0.35%, while the Nasdaq Composite shed 0.50%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average pulled back by 0.51%. It has been a banner year on Wall Street, with the benchmark index up more than 17% in 2025. The Dow has gained about 14%, putting it on track for its strongest year since 2021. The Nasdaq Composite has outperformed year-to-date, up more than 21%. Wall Street is also in the throes of the Santa Claus rally period, a historically strong time for the stock market. Since 1950, the S&P 500 has averaged a gain of more than 1% between the last 5 trading days of the year and the first 2 of the new year. European markets closed positively on Monday, with the Stoxx 600 rising by 0.09%. Domestic market. Indian equity indices ended on a negative note on December 29th. At close, the Sensex was down 0.41% at 84,695, and the Nifty was also down 0.38% at 25,942. GIFT Nifty trades lower by 22 points at 25,943, signaling a negative start to the trading session. India's industrial output showed strong growth in November 2025, with the Index of Industrial Production (IIP) rising 6.7% year-on-year, signaling a recovery after the festive slowdown in October. Economists had projected a 2.5% growth. The IIP growth followed a slowdown to just 0.4% in October, influenced by Diwali and holiday breaks. Manufacturing led the recovery, growing 8.0%, with key contributions from basic metals, pharmaceuticals, and motor vehicles. Mining activity also rebounded, growing 5.4%, while electricity generation contracted by 1.5%. Key sectors like capital goods, infrastructure goods, and consumer durables saw strong growth, with infrastructure and construction goods expanding 12.1%. Overall, the numbers reflected a return to normal production and increased consumption post-festivals. Focus for the day: India money supply. Key corporate developments and policy actions. BEL secures new orders worth 569 crores since last disclosure on December 12, 2025. This strengthens order book visibility and reinforces BEL's leadership in defense electronics. Waaree Energies Chief Executive Officer Amit Paithankar has resigned from the company. The board has accepted his resignation and approved the appointment of Jignesh Rathod as the next CEO. NTPC Green has announced the commencement of commercial operations of the 9th part capacity of 13.98 megawatts out of the 1,255 megawatts Khavda 1 solar PV project of NTPC Renewable Energy. Indigo has hiked allowances for pilots by up to 2,000 rupees with effect from January 1st. The move comes weeks after the airline faced severe flight disruptions due to pilot rostering challenges. The government is seeking over $30 billion from Reliance Industries Limited and BP as compensation, alleging that the partners built larger than required facilities at the KG-D6 gas fields and subsequently failed to meet natural gas output targets. Fund flow. FII sold shares worth 7.87 billion rupees, while DII bought for 7.23 billion rupees.
Investment in securities markets are subjected to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.